Everyone, welcome to lesson number 15. So today we're going to learn about the DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, let's open up our info slide. So the DHT22 is a popular temperature and humidity sensor that can be connected to your Arduino board. It uses the DHT library. Download and copy the files to your library folder to get started. Okay, so now let's get to the connections. And as you can see from our info slide, we have data pin, which you can connect to any digital pin. In this case, this is connected to digital pin number 2. We have VCC, which is connected to pin 5 volts of the Arduino, and finally ground, which is connected to ground of the Arduino, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so on our apparatus today, we have our DHT22, as you can read, the Arduino board, the breadboard. So I'm just going to hook this up and some jumper cables. Going to do it quickly. Okay, so hooked it up. So on this side right here, we have the data pin. I'm going to use the white cable for this one. And on the middle, we have VCC. And on the other side, we have ground like that. So I'm going to hook it up. And then I'm going to connect this to our 5 volts power supply, and then ground to ground. Then this one I'm going to connect it to pin number 7. There, our DHT22 has been successfully hooked up to our Arduino board. So what's only left is for us to write a code that will make us read the temperature and humidity values. So now let's go back to the code. Okay, so before we begin, in order to run the code, you need a DHT library. The fastest way you can get it, one of the easiest, to visit tools, open manage libraries here. I'm not going to do it. It takes a little bit of while to open download the. So after I visit it, it will take some time downloading the index, the library index. Then there will be a search bar. Then you can type DHT22. Then there will be many options. You just have to pick one. There'll be, if you just sort of select it, there'll be an install button. Then you get to install your library. Okay, so for the code in this project, I've actually written the code so that we won't take much time. So after you've written after you've got the library, or you can actually go download it to the site, to Arduino site, and then you copy it to your library folder. So after you've actually installed this library, you now have to actually let the PC know that this is the library you're using. So this code just calls up the library, the DHT22.h. So now you're just going to declare a few variables. We have example pin number 7. This is our pin data, which is the data pin connected to this, which is on the white cable. Humidity, temperature, this one in Celsius degrees, this one is in Fahrenheit. Setting time is just sort of settling time, and DT, that's delay time of 2000, that's 2 seconds. Okay, so from there, this is just a function which just tells the library to interpret the data which is gaining from this pin, the data pin, which is pin number 7. After that, void setup, begin baud rate 9600, and make sure it is the same one on your serial monitor. Delay time, setting time, which is 500. After that, we are in void loop. So to get temperature in Celsius degrees, it's just DHT22.get temperature. To get humidity, DHT22.get humidity. To get temperature in Fahrenheit, it's same thing, get temperature, but this time you have to type in false. If you type in true, you will get the same values as this. So if you are using a library where you typed in false and you are getting the same value as temperature in Celsius degrees, you try typing true here, you may get the temperature in Fahrenheit. And then this is just the sort of the print layout of these details. Humidity, the value of humidity, temperature in Celsius degrees, the value of this temperature in Fahrenheit and its value. And then delay time, just going to delay for 2 seconds. They need to run again, uploading the data. So now at the moment, I'm going to upload our code to our Arduino. Okay, I'm just going to cancel that. Okay, our code is now uploading. So now let's call this done uploading. Now we call in the serial monitor. Okay, so now we are reading humidity as this value, temperature in Celsius degrees this value, and temperature in Fahrenheit in this value, and they are being uploaded, and they are being uploaded after every 2 seconds. So now let's see if I can get any of these values to change. See if I can do anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and wave a stick of matches. But I'll delete and see if those values won't change any bit. Hope I won't ban it. Nothing changed. Oh, humidity changed slightly over from 62 to 63. Temperature, yeah, it's now changing. It switched to 29. Then humidity also decreased. So yeah, this is very much DHT22. Thank you for following, for seeing this tutorial. Stay tuned to the more coming videos. Thank you.